Welcome back to another video. We're gonna take a look at Blender. So I have over here a default cube. If I press tab, this will take me to edit mode. Now if I press 3 over here, this will swap me to face selection. And for example, I can select the top face over here, press delete on the keyboard, and afterwards I can delete that face. Now if I want to fill that face again, I can swap over here to edge selection. I can hold down Alt, select one of the edges. That will give me the loop select over here. And I can just press F in order to fill that over here. Now, if I want to split the geometry, for example, I want an additional face over here. So 2 more edges, so I can split this into 4 faces. I have the possibility to go over here for vertex selection. Select that vertex over there, hold down Shift, select the one over here. And again, if I will press F, this will link those two with an edge. If I will do the same over here, again press F, we're gonna see that the cube will have additional geometry. But if I will go over here to face selection, if I will try to select only a triangle face over here, I'm gonna see that the top face will be selected. So if I will press G and I will extrude, I will see that everything will be extruded. Now, I will select those 2 edges and I will delete those. So delete edges. But in this case, let me just select that one, edge, and this one as well. So another workaround will be to not use F. So F is mostly for face filling. If you want to add edges between vertices, we can select those 2 vertices, and I will press G on the keyboard over here, so not F. If I will do the same over here with G from join, we're gonna see that now we're gonna have the top face splitted. That means if I will try to select only this section, I will have the possibility to select the triangle. I can press E for extrude, and I can further go with that selection. Okay, so this is important because within Blender, usually for faces, we use the filling tool, but as we can see, for additional edges on the face, we should use the join command. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video over here on the left and a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.